Now guys, we're looking at boat. So I decided to take a video because the place is very nice. No boat. Huh.
That's all.
There's no Jan boat. Look at it. Ang ganda. Huwag mo akong anuhin kasi magalaw. Jan Remor, isa. Daming fishing rod. Let's go to the White River. We'll take it. It's nice in here. Look at the big shore.
Have to go with the paddle. Is that a paddle? No.
There's boat we are thinking to buy. Yan. Yan, ang ganda dito guys. Look. Who's that guy? There, right? Still I can see you. Ganda oh. Oh, what the look at that. Wow. Pang tatlong person lang. We're thinking to buy this, guys.
The canoes are back in camping for some reason. And he says the John boats are outside. So maybe they're on that side of the door.
Let's go. We're gonna sit there. Are we going to the other side? Let's go to the other side, guys. Aluminum yun nandoon. Medyo magaan yata yun. Oh, that bike is good. Nice. How about this boat?
That's
The wood one. The wooden one.
Show.
Ah, that's only for the show. But in Philippines, we don't have that wood.
I don't know. He didn't know. He said he doesn't sell it. I feel like I'm bothering him. And he says you don't have John boats here.
Are you supposed to bring that here?
Which one? Thinking about to buy a boat.
You want to go up in there and check it out?
No.
Turn your video on. Go up in there and check it out.
Let's check this one. Let's go up. Ooh, wow. Anak, isa. Ooh, wow, ito maganda. Wow. Wow. For two. I will buy this when I, win in the lottery. Wow. 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 This is enough for me. Meron siyang mga ano sa ilalim.
You already saw this.
I know.
You already saw this, Ma.
Yeah.
Ma,
Huh.
you already saw this.
Yeah.
Remember the...
Let's check how much the price.
You already saw this one.
I know.
Huh?
I know. Let's check how much the price.
Why? What? You want that?
Yeah. How much the price?
10.
Huh? Huh? Alice. Ooh, 100.
No, 50.
$159 for that boat. Grabe, mahal. Hindi ko afford. Tingnan nyo yun, oh. Eto, mura. 17,000. I like this one. Invisible. That's the invisible boat. 113,000. No. 133?
No, 1,000. 1,100.
The 1,033. $955. Oh. Wala lang kaming ano eh. We don't have parking.
It's probably small.
They're gonna kick us out.
I don't care.
We don't have parking. Let's go. Nag-drive around lang kami. Wala lang magawa. It's a spring break. So we just drive around.
I want to go to the mall.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Shout out dyan. Shout out to Kay Marian. Simply Marie.
Please unsubscribe.
Wilmore Vlog. Wendell Tech.
Leave a dislike.
What? Like
Leave a
what?
dislike.
Huh?
Dislike.
Just like what? Diyan kami galing, guys. Ang ganda dyan. Even there's my husband. Yan. Ganda niya. Boat ATV Super Center. Ayan. Ayan. What's that? I think this is a mall. Small mall. Ayan. Okay. This is us. Wala lang. Tumingin kami ng sasakyan. We just drive around.
That is our
and
new.
do something.
That is our new car over there.
Our new car. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.